Alex is exploring Python iterators. He creates a simple list and starts reading values one by one. Everything works perfectly until Python suddenly shows an error. This error is called StopIteration, and it happens when Python reaches the end of an iterator. Think of it like this. Alex has two books of on shelf. He picks up the first book, then the second book. Then he reaches for the another one, but there is no book left. The shelf is empty. Python feels the same way. Let's see what is happening. The iter function creates an iterator. An iterator remembers where it is while moving through a collection. Each call to next gets the next value. So far, everything works. But after all values are consumed, the iterator has nothing left to return. Python raises stop iteration to indicate that iteration is complete. The safest solution is using a loop. The loop automatically stops when the iteration is exhausted. Another solution is handling the exception manually. This allows the program to continue running instead of crashing, and it clearly tells us that the iterator has reached the end. Whenever you see stop iteration, check these things. Have all items already been consumed? Are you calling next too many times? Would a for loop be a better choice? Most stop iteration errors happen when an iteration has no values left. Alex switches to a safer approach, runs the program again, and everything works perfectly. Problem solved.